like this, and then we knew what happened. No sound, no panic.
24 people were on board, but everybody was okay. Buildings in the Lakeview neighborhood had to be evacuated today after 3 live grenades were found in the basement of an apartment building. Police in the bomb and arson unit sped over to the 900 block of West Newport after a tip that those grenades were, in fact, in the basement. Police in Lake County, Indiana, investigating the death of a racehorse that was found Tuesday at a Lowell pasture shot. The 8-year-old standard trotting horse, which had been entered a race today at Balmoral Park, was found by its owner. And about 50 University of Illinois Medical Center support staff members marched outside the hospital this morning demanding a contract. They say they haven't had one since unionizing in 2010. We'll have sports, traffic, and weather next on WGN.
We're looking for a good name for our Fifth Third Bank Equity FlexLine plan. Something catchy. But more importantly, a name that helps people understand the boost it could provide in their lives. Because at an APR as low as 1.99% for 6 months, you could do a lot, like fix up your home. How about the Fifth Third Bank finally updating the kitchen from prehistoric to contemporary?